Before we begin, let us first issue a very important and necessary reminder. Trading in financial markets carries inherent risk, and this video, like all of our content, is provided strictly for educational purposes only. Nothing you see here should be interpreted as financial advice or a recommendation to trade. Please consult a licensed professional and always use proper risk management. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and while we demonstrate live trades and real setups, everything shown is intended to teach, inform, and demonstrate the potential of technology in today's trading world. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive in. Today is July 10th, 2025, and what you're about to witness isn't just another daily recap or a dry technical breakdown. It's a showcase of something far more profound. A proven system, a semi-automated weapon of precision called the Breakout Sniper Bot, one of the most powerful, mind-blowing trading programs we've ever created. This isn't hype, it's the result of years of testing, countless hours of real market refinement, and an obsessive pursuit of automation that doesn't just function, it wins. In today's video, we're using the same exact setup that we've been running for weeks, even months in some cases, and we traded twice during this session. One execution at the New York Open, and the second one around 2 p.m. EST, right into the afternoon liquidity burst. That's why when you look at today's market analyzer, the P&L seems larger than what you see directly on the chart. That's not a mistake, it's performance. And performance that's repeatable. This is what makes Breakout Sniper different. The results don't fluctuate based on over-optimization or curve fitting. It doesn't need to be tweaked every day. It doesn't require endless backtesting. It just works. Out of the box, plug and play. And while it's highly advanced under the hood, from a user's point of view, it's beautifully simple. Just load the chart, load the template, and let the system do what it was designed to do. Find high probability breakout opportunities and execute them with laser precision. Now, let's address something you may have noticed if you've been watching our recent sessions. The star plus stops may appear wide from the entry. Why is that? Because they adjust dynamically once the breakout lines are updated. This ensures trades aren't stopped out prematurely due to noise or short-term volatility. But for those who prefer tighter trailing stops, you have that option as well. Just flip the setting in the control panel. It's all there. The power of this bot lies in its balance between structure and freedom. You're not locked into a rigid algorithm. You're empowered with controls. Want to switch to regular trailing stops? Go ahead. Want to enable or disable extra profit mode, where the system continues holding your last contract beyond the standard $500 target? You're in control. And let's talk about that for a second. The extra profit function is game-changing. Instead of closing trades automatically once they hit a certain target, it allows your final contract to ride the trend, giving it the opportunity to hit a more extended move. In today's session, we had this enabled. That means the bot stayed in trade longer. No premature exits, no leaving money on the table. And yes, this too is optional. Turn it on, turn it off, the choice is yours.
That's what makes this platform so different. It's not just a robot. It's your trading partner, one that can work across any market, any platform, and with any account size. And unlike 99% of the bots out there, this is a semi-automated system, meaning you still have control to manage trades on the fly, close positions instantly with a single click, change the number of contracts, or even pause trading manually if you see something in the market that requires discretion. Just use the left-hand control panel, close, buy, sell, long, short. It's all one click away, and it doesn't stop there. Want to adjust your daily profit goal? Just enter the number. Want to define your trading time? When to start? When to stop? Easy. Want to change your entry filter or the way targets and stops are calculated? You don't need to write code.
Just change a setting. That's how flexible and powerful this system is. This level of control is nearly impossible in manual trading. You simply cannot manage 6, 7, or 8 markets at once by hand. But with Breakout Sniper, you can, because the system automates the high-speed execution while still letting you maintain your strategy framework. This is where we separate from other systems on the market. Breakout Sniper is not a one-trick pony. It's not just a one-day setup that falls apart next week. We've tested countless strategies over the years. Trend following, scalping, mean reversion, hybrid systems, And after all that testing, all that blood, sweat, and sleepless nights, we refined everything down into this: a clean, adaptive breakout engine that plugs directly into your NinjaTrader 8 platform and can be used every single day. No optimization, no curve fitting, no data mining, just pure logic and consistent execution. And yes, it's adaptable. You can use the exact same setup we're showing here today for months, even years. There's no need to reinvent the wheel unless you want to. And if you do want to customize things, we've made that easy too. The control panel lets you plug in filters, alter target distances, shift trailing logic, change contracts, everything, without needing to write a single line of code. And if you ever want to trade manually during a session, no problem. Just use the built-in controls to override the automation. Close a trade, flip direction, scale in. The choice is always yours. But here's where it gets even more powerful. You can run this bot on multiple markets at the same time, using different profit targets or goals. Let's say you want to run NQ, ES, RTY, YM, and maybe even crude or gold? Go ahead. Want to set a $200 daily goal on one market and $1,000 on another? Go for it. The bot is built to accommodate your trading style, risk appetite, and account size. And that's not marketing talk, that's the design. Traders around the world are using this system every day, not just for income, but for peace of mind. Because once you stop manually chasing entries and let the system handle it, trading becomes less stressful and more predictable. And if you're still wondering whether you can trust this, we invite you to join our Discord. Inside, real users share real trades, live screenshots, P&L updates, settings, tips, and support. It's not just a product, it's a community, and we believe in transparency. We're not here to sell dreams. We're here to show you a real tool that works. So, if you want to learn more, the program link is in the description below. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're a seasoned trader tired of manual chaos, this might just be the final piece of the puzzle.
The Breakout Sniper Bot was built for one reason: to empower traders like you with tools once only available to institutions. And today, you can have that. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel to get updates, live trades, feature breakdowns, and deep dives into how we build these systems. And don't forget to comment below with your questions. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, stay sharp, stay focused, and we'll see you in the next trade.